Well, today I'm going to try to replace the window regulator on the passenger side in the 98 Ford Explorer. I've done it before once. We'll see how this one goes. Work. Alright, got the key. Door down, the window down a little bit. Yeah, about right there. What I'm going to be doing is drilling out these rivets that are attached to the clips that are holding the window, and of course they also attach the regulator motor. So I just need to raise and lower the window until I locate them all, and then I'll unbolt or unscrew the nuts here. Here's the other rivets that have to be removed. 1, 2, 3. There should be 2 on the bottom track. I'll have to raise it up, or maybe even take it down lower. I'm not sure which way it's got to go yet. Let's see if I can locate the other one in a hole somewhere. Probably have to raise it up to this area. Anyway, get that one out. Get the left side out. Take these 3 out. Unscrew these nuts and this nut and this one here, I think. Maybe not on that one. I'm not sure about that one. I gotta wait and find out. No, I don't think so. It looks like a different type. And then that should release the regulator. And before I do that though, I'll get some painter's tape, blue tape, and raise the window up and tape it up so it doesn't interfere with removing the regulator, possibly damage it, break it, etc. I'm also going to use a sharp punch the center of the rivet, make a dent so the drill can dig into it without sliding around everywhere. Alright, well that was easy. Just punched the middle of the rivet right out. So now I just got to drill the outside. Hopefully it doesn't spin on me. I usually start out with a 3/16, then move up to a 1/4 inch. And if it still doesn't come out at that point, you can just crush the sides of it until you can pull it out. Yeah, that rivet's just spinning. Let's see if I can hold it with the screwdriver. Yep, there we go. One rivet stuck in a drill. I'm going to punch these others right here. The middle of that one punched out. I'm going to punch the rest of them out. Yep, there's another one. And a third. Alright, drill those puppies out. By the way, I'm using cobalt drill bits. You don't want to try to use wood drill bits. It probably won't last very long. Once up, it's going to easily cut through metal. One there. One there. And another. Alright, let's find that other track rivet. See how far down it is. Looks to be about in the middle. Let's see what I can do here. seeing the other rivet. Alright, here's the crack. And I got it right here, okay. You can line it up with this hole here. This one's pretty deep. So I might need a longer drill bit, I don't know. Will it reach?